Mecca, also known as Mecca, is a city steeped in history and tradition. It is a city that has stood the test of time, dating back to the era of Prophet Abraham and beyond. As the birthplace of Prophet Muhammad and the spiritual epicenter of Islam, Mecca has a rich tapestry of history and culture that is deeply interwoven with the global Muslim community. Despite its ancient roots, Mecca is not stuck in the past. It is a thriving metropolis that seamlessly blends tradition with modernity. The city is alive with a myriad of languages, predominantly Arabic, but you'll find English widely spoken, ensuring ease of communication for the global traveler. Navigating through Mecca is a breeze. The city boasts a robust transportation system, from taxis and buses to the state-of-the-art metro system. And with the advent of ride-hailing apps, getting around has never been easier. When it comes to gastronomy, Mecca is a melting pot of flavors and cuisines. From the tantalizing aromas of Arabian coffee to the mouth-watering delights of mandi, a traditional meat and rice dish, the city offers a culinary journey like no other. Now, if it's sun, sand, and sea you're after, then the beaches of the Red Sea are just a stone's throw away. Bask in the warmth of the Arabian sun or dive into the crystal-clear waters for a refreshing swim. As for transactions, Mecca has embraced the digital age. While cash is still accepted, most establishments prefer cashless transactions, from credit cards to mobile payment apps, ensuring a seamless shopping experience. However, it's essential to be aware of the do's and don'ts when visiting Mecca. Respect for local customs and traditions is paramount. Modest dress is required, especially within the sacred precincts of the Grand Mosque. Alcohol is strictly prohibited, and so is public display of affection. Though Mecca may not have a conventional nightlife, it offers a unique nocturnal experience. The city comes alive after sunset with bustling markets, lively cafes, and the mesmerizing spectacle of the Grand Mosque bathed in light. So there you have it, a brief but comprehensive guide to Mecca, a city that exudes an irresistible allure, a city that beckons with a rich history, vibrant culture, and warm hospitality. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or a beach lover, Mecca has something for everyone. Remember, Mecca isn't just a city, it's an experience, a journey of discovery, and a testament to the enduring power of faith and tradition. So the next time you're planning a trip, why not consider Mecca? It promises to be an adventure of a lifetime. Today we've explored the history, language, culture, transportation, food, beaches, payment methods, do's and don'ts, and the unique nightlife of Mecca. A city that is as fascinating as it is inviting and as timeless as it is modern. A city that truly is a world in itself.